So you're a content creator, like everybody else. If you ever get stuck trying to come up with content to create, you need this tool. This tool is called Chatgpt, and it is completely free to use, well, for right now. Chatgpt is an AI system you can ask any questions to, and it always has the answer. A lot of people right now are using AI in all of their social media to increase their growth. This is part of a lot of those major TikTokers, YouTubers, Instagrammers, you name it. This is part of their strategies. Why not use it yourself? Chatgpt can be used to write your YouTube captions, YouTube videos, create online course content. It can literally be used to write motivational speeches. Do you want to get on your TikTok every day and be the positive daily mantra person? Chatgpt can write you up a quick 30-second one, and you can just say that every day and just go on it, use it, batch a bunch of content. Chatgpt has made creating content so easy and quick. No skill required. You can literally scale your business using Chatgpt, and it's actually insane. If I think back to like even a couple years ago, it might have been around, but it was definitely not being spoken about. Enough talk. I'm just gonna screen share so you can see exactly how you can use Chatgpt to scale and grow your business and help you with content ideas. All right, so this is my screen. We're just gonna search in this bar, Chatgpt. Click. As you can see, I've already used it. So you're just going to click on this, Chatgpt. It's going to take you to this funky web page. And all you got to do is hit try Chatgpt. And I already have an account, so it's going to make you sign up, make a free account. You just put your email in, make a password, and bada bing, bada boom, there you go. It even saves all of your recent searches, which is crazy. But I do want you to pay attention to this. So you have examples, capabilities, and there's also limitations on Chatgpt. It is not a magic bean. It's not going to, it's just, there is things that it has limitations to. So you can literally ask a bunch of examples. I know a lot of realtors are using it right now to write legal terms. Obviously I would check that if you're asking it to write in legal stuff. But you can ask it anything. Capabilities, it remembers what it said earlier in the conversation. It allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. So you cannot say anything inappropriate and it won't reply to you. There are limitations though, so sometimes it will generate incorrect information. Any information you ever get from AI, always double check it, triple check it. If it's not something simple, it's something complex that you actually don't know and you're not just getting it to generate a product description, always triple check it. Other than that, you can always get offended because people can get offended from everything. So here we go. Say you are a content creator and a beauty guru and you want people to get hooked in on your videos. Here's what you're gonna do. What are some popular hooks for beauty creators right now? It's thinking as a language model. Proper hooks for beauty creators include no makeup looks. Look at that. It even explains it. Bold and bright makeup. Yep. So it's giving you glass skin. That is interesting. It's giving you a bunch of ideas, so for hooks. So let's just say stop generating. And as you will see here, their data only goes up to 2021 because they don't have data for, the extremely recent times because it is an AI bot. But another thing you can do is, let's say 10 tips to grow on social media. And then it thinks, and then look at that. Here are 10 tips to grow. So say your account is based upon growing on social media. Obviously, I would make a video about Chatgpt, but then you can also look at this. Choose the right platform, optimize your profile, consistent branding, quality content. I read too fast, post regularly. These are all actually legit things that can help you grow in social media. So you can also just look them up for your own personal growth, or you can make this into 10 separate videos another video just listing all 10, break it down in each video, long form video, short form content. You could put it in a carousel post. There's so much you could do to generate ideas for content here. And you can even go hooks to use in, let's say, user generated content creation. Look at that, it's even explaining UGC. So here are some hooks, contests and giveaways. Oh, look at that, ask for feedback. I think share story is a good one. I don't think some of these actually are good. So see, for UGC, I wouldn't crowdsource ideas, but anywho, you get the idea. You can stop generating at any time, and yeah. And so there you have it. That is how quick and easy it is to use ChatGPT. It is completely free. Again, like I said, there are a bunch of different AI softwares online. I would use ChatGPT while it is free and available. I assume it's free because they're still working out some bugs and kinks in it, but use it and abuse it, and hopefully you grow on all your socials in 2023. If you thought this video was helpful, please feel free to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you'd like me to make this year.